Hello gardening friends, I've been just sitting out here planting some seed that I planted today. I did plant this one row of beets, but the rest of this bed here I planted yesterday. Now these are cold weather crops. I planted these back in April, I think, and only one of my carrots came up, so I need to. I heard a secret that you can do that is put a board over the. I don't know, maybe next year I'll put some vermiculite over it and wet it down, but I think it's because it was too dry anyway. But I did plant this row of beets here today, and I tried to experiment with putting vermiculite down to see how that works. And then I planted this bed over here, and this is a row of hot peppers, jalapenos, yeah, and this plant, there's a few tomatoes in that end. I think the rest of the tomatoes are over here, but there wasn't very many, so. And then I put a row of marigolds down the middle. And then way over here, there's some bunching onions. And I got two different kinds, one kind in each row. And there's some marigolds over there too. And down here, down the middle, I put bush cucumbers with marigolds on each end. And I experimented with putting that vermiculite down to compare it with just the soil that was already there. The soil's got a lot of lumps in it. That's why I was hesitant to use it. See, that's nice, but it's got all these wood chips in it from last year. So the next thing I'm going to do is, I got a whole bunch of flower seeds. I'm going to fill this with flower seeds, and this whole bed here with flower seeds. Hopefully they're more tolerant of being planted in the wood chips. These wood chips are actually several years old. I don't think I have any more potting soil. At least we buy some more potting soil to put over them, but I bet the flowers are going to grow in that, so we'll just have to wait and see. Because I don't know how many years old they are, but they were over a year old when I got them and put them in there. Oh, over here I got spinach that's coming up, and all right in through here I got onion sets planted. And here's my peas. Looks like they already, I put tomato trellises out for them to climb one. It looks like they already found them. So hopefully I'm going to have some peas here. I think around here you're supposed to plant your peas in March. And I can't even remember where I planted them, in March or April. But and I got all these strawberries. Before I put this raised bed here, there was a strawberry bed here. And that didn't deter them at all. There's some nice strawberries coming on. I moved a bunch of them over to the asparagus bed, which I've been having a lot of trouble with, and I think it's because of the fence and it gets morning sun. But you can see how it's starting to be shaded out by the fence right along here, over here. And I need to get some more blueberry bushes. But I think right here, just make a row of blueberry bushes. And at least two, because I think you gotta have more. Oh, here's cosmos. I had some cosmos growing here last year, and so that's a volunteer that grew up from seed. And so is, there was one over here, but I can't find it now. Here's my asparagus. This is pencil size. I guess there is one. I've been eating it, I guess. So I broke off, but you're not supposed to break it off and eat it until it's like more like at least thumb size. But you can't see my thumb. But yeah, this one here is pencil size, and so you wait till it's about thumb size to eat it. Look at these strawberries I got coming on. There and there. So at least I have a few. But these over here. Yeah, there's an asparagus root that someone got dug up. I don't know. Hey, look at all these strawberries I got here. Lots of blooms. Must like the soil here. As soon as I get the planting done, I'm going to come out and start putting organic material around them. Look at all those berries there. Just like a ring of mulch around them. And probably with a lot of other plants, just put a ring of mulch around them, and they'll keep the weeds down and give them some fertilizer. Sometimes I think that mulch is the best fertilizer. And here's all these strawberries here left from when I had the strawberry bed here. But I think all I got left to plant is some cucumbers and some honeydew melons. No, these are the Crenshaw. I don't know if I'm going to plant one of them there, or I might just plant them over here, because I think they climb all over the place on the ground. So if I planted them over here, that'd give them plenty of room to climb all over the place. And I could just plant the melons here, and even if they grow over there, I can put wood chips or anything underneath of the vines, and that would kill off the grass at the same time. So I might just do that.